Welcome to the City College of Naga's first virtual graduation and 45th commencement exercises with the theme Strengthening Alternative System Approach Towards Excellent Education. With so much cheer and pride, let us laud the candidates, parents, faculty, and administrators. The 2021 45th commencement exercises is now in order. May we request everyone to please rise for the invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. To more than I can be. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. raise me up to more than I can be.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang mag-ibig, telas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang putok sa simoy at sa langit ng bagaw, ay hinatang tula, kawin sa paglayang minamahal. Ang islang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidinig. Luma ng araw ng walhaging pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Graduation Day is always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of a more challenging part of man's quest for a better future. Truly, today signifies the culmination of years of hard work and dedication in the relentless pursuit of excellence. The City College of Naga, being a transformative institution, upholds the delivery of high-quality components of learning. Learning that enables a person to embrace opportunities and take on challenges with clear vision and purpose. It is said that the quality of a person's life is in direct proportion to his or her commitment to excellence, regardless of the chosen field of endeavor. Ladies and gentlemen, let us recognize those students for their extraordinary accomplishments. Service Award, Badong Saruel Jr. A. Magalyon Maria Magdalena M. Mania Liza R. Perez Carl Lemuel P. San Agustin Mariel G. Loyalty Awardees, Arquivido Maria Shin M. Ardeza Zarina V. Balisnomo Aurora L. Banadera Avi J. I. Bongkodin Lizelle B. Borabo Jean O. Calpo Jessa V. Candelaria Arlene M. Cuarte Norlin L. De Los Santos Shamaine D. Dizon Nora P. Garcia Jacqueline B. Gayanilo Mary Jane P. Guerrero Froclane O. Yaguno Maria Cristina C. Lianarisas Hazel M. Lucernas Eden P. Magalyon Maria Magdalena M. Mania Liza R. Oliva Mary Jane B. Reyolope Rica P. Rebedin Daisy C. Salazar Imelda C. Sanico Jean E. Tesoro Lalaine Z. Tolite Rhea D. Valencia France Dory B. And Villar Flora Mia C. Leadership Award Magalyon Maria Magdalena M. Mayoral Award Adamis Claire B. Badong Sorowel Jr. A. Bumbahay Claudine V. Katana Micaela D. Perez Carl Lemuel P. Senyar Jane Erica B. And Taburnal Marimar B. And now, for the presentation and confirmation of graduates, may we call the Dean of College of Midwifery, Ms. Jennifer U. San Pedro, and City College of Naga President Dr. Vito C. Borja.
Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Midwifery, I have the honor to present to you for your confirmation 74 candidates for the title of Diploma in Midwifery and 85 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Midwifery who have satisfactorily completed the requirements for their respective title and degree prescribed and approved by the Board of Trustees, City College of Naga, Republic of the Philippines.
By virtue of the power and authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the City College of Naga and by the Commission of Higher Education, and as recommended by your Administrator and Dean, I therefore confirm you as graduates. Congratulations.
To introduce our guest speaker for this afternoon, may we call the Faculty of the College of Midwifery, Ms. Joy P. Cerojales.
To our dear, dedicated, hardworking, and fatherly Acting President, Magno S. Conag Jr., to our supportive and equally hardworking Dean, Jennifer U. San Pedro, other distinguished guests, good day. My role today is to introduce our distinguished commencement speaker. As the incumbent mayor of Naga City, Nelson S. Legacion is fervent in fulfilling his vows to bring closer to the people of the City Government of Naga and to create a more enabling and more empowering environment for the Nagueños, captured in his administration slogan, Nalalaoman, Nasasarigan, Nangangataman. In English, reliable, dependable, caring. His leadership directions focus on making Naga a self-reliant and caring city. Attorney Legacion's career as a public servant began on July 2, 2001, when he was appointed as City Legal Officer by the late former Naga Mayor and Interior Secretary, Jesse M. Robredo. This year is his 20th year in public service. As Counsel of the People, he successfully prosecuted expropriation cases that resulted in the distribution of residential lots to urban poor beneficiaries. His most important legal victory for the people, however, is when he successfully represented and saved the city from an ejectment case, which, if lost, could have cost hundreds of millions of pesos to the Nagueños as payment for rental payments alone, or worse, could have resulted to the loss of the city government's edifice and other government agencies' offices, and subsequently the crippling of their functions. For his accomplishments and love for Naga, Legacion was elected by the Nagueños for 2 terms in the city council, that was 2007 to 2010 and 2010 to 2013. As councilor, he brought his life experience in the Sangguniang Panlunsod and pushed for legislations that help uplift the socio-economic status of the destitute and underprivileged. Proving himself as an excellent legislator with a heart for the Nagueños, especially the underprivileged, he was then chosen by the people to be the city's vice mayor. As presiding officer of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, he introduced reforms on 2 key points. Number 1, promptness to pass sound legislations responsive to the needs of the changing times. And number 2, capacity to enact so-called welfare legislations along the spirit of the words of President Ramon Magsaysay, and that I quote, "He who has less in life should have more in law." Under his leadership, we pride ourselves with a quick response and containment against COVID-19 cases. As the nation is continuously besieged by the pandemic, our city remains ever vigilant and quick to combat the challenges brought about by the COVID pandemic. Some of the solutions include the provision of medical equipment and communications and technologies required for contact tracing, as well as economic stimulus packages distributed to small businesses and displaced workers. We also acknowledge the welfare provided to the most affected stakeholders of this pandemic, the senior population, people with disabilities, children, and other vulnerable members of our society, thanks to the LGU's efforts under his leadership. Apart from keeping the pandemic at bay, we commend the efforts in laying the groundwork for a self-sufficient and sustainable city through erecting infrastructures dedicated to education, transportation, and trade, such as the construction of new schoolhouses in various parts of the city, as well as the upgrades of educational facilities in order to keep up with the ever-expanding demands of a globalized educational system. On the topic of globalization, ongoing infrastructure projects offer a safer, wider, and more accessible network of roads and other facilities that ensures a globalized Naga City in both trade and modernization. When not wearing his hat as a public servant, he is a loving father to 4 children, namely Nathaniel Emil, Neil Emerson, Nadine Aina, and Naphtali Eman, and an affectionate husband to his wife, Attorney Marian Eloisa Escueta Legacion. Candidates for graduation, fellow faculty members, and CCN staff, my dear ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the father of Naga City, our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion.
To the College President, Dr. Vito Borja II, to College Administrator Magno Conag Jr., to the distinguished members of the Board of Directors, Administrators, Instructors, and employees of City College of Naga, to the proud parents, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, maugmang aldaw sa gabos. It is an honor to see you, my dear graduates of City College of Naga, obtaining your degree today. Despite the odds and the disruptions brought by COVID-19, we are here to celebrate your victory and our triumph as a whole in continuing with our lives and persisting with the accomplishment of our goals amidst all the struggles and sacrifices. Indeed, right now, we are filled with moments of braving the challenges of time. In this unprecedented era, we are being tested not only academically, but also physically and emotionally. I know, however, that to many of you, just like mine, our struggle has begun from the very start. Similar with many of you who also had to walk the road of poverty. My story is that of a young boy born from a humble household, out of a farmer father and a weaver mother in a simple barrio, who tried to have a better future for my family by striving hard and finding the silver lining in every situation. In fact, early in life, I already understood the power of education. As a young pupil, I studied diligently and through engagement in various extracurricular work and community service, tried to accumulate knowledge and experience with the hope that this can lend me some advantage in landing a scholarship someday. True enough though, kind and generous people acknowledge my skills and my passion to serve. Thanks to caring individuals, I gained my college diploma, and this, my dear graduates, has served as key to open doors of opportunities. I then entered the law school in UNC, became a lawyer, worked as the city's legal officer, and then elected as councilor, vice mayor, and now your incumbent mayor of Naga City. To succeed, we must try. It is in not trying that we fail. We must make things happen even in the face of direst situations and most unfavorable odds. Amidst the challenges presented by the present pandemic and the series of typhoons that hit our city. Even if we are not paid for what we are doing, or the rewards are not commensurate to the tasks at hand, or the criticisms are loud and fake news are prevalent due to machinations of others for their own personal agenda, we must endure and champion excellence. Just with what happened to me, I am sure that your degree today will also grant you a portal to an array of possibilities for the betterment of yourselves and your family. You must need to go on with life, fueled with both passion and innovation. Passion is a strong feeling of enthusiasm for something or about doing something. It drives us to do and make things happen, even in the face of direst situation and most unfavorable odds. Amidst the challenges presented by the present pandemic and the series of calamities, even if we are not paid for what we are doing or the rewards are not commensurate, we will not give up doing what we are passionate about. Hence, this is the reason why passion is needed for our continuous struggle with life. We will not be defined by one moment or by any chapter in our story. It will be a never-ending quest for quality work, a pursuit for excellence in everything we do. As what then Secretary and former Mayor Jess Robredo said, at the end of the day, it will be our contribution that will matter. Paying back what we owe to the community that nurtured us. It is a story of our service to our nation and us being fruitful to ourselves and to our dreams. We must pursue our calling even in times when we do not feel like it. Innovation is also needed in our pursuit for a better life. Especially now with technology, we are always presented with an opportunity to advance. The current public health crisis has also forced us to think out of the box and pursue our studies and vocation in ways that are very much different than before. It is therefore paramount that we should not be contented with that status quo and must persistently make the best better. When you have the heart to continue what you are doing, even in the most inconvenient situations, and the imaginative mind to improve the present, surely, my graduates, you will be among the best of the best. You will be one of the proud Nagueños who will further lift our city to greater heights. In Naga City, we do not have the rich connections of Metro Manila or the ports of endowed cities. Passionate and innovative people are the main reasons why the city is among the exceptional metropolises in the country. Naga's stature as a maugmang lugar is achieved through the efforts of citizens like you, your professors and administrators, who are always keen on lending a helping hand in every way possible that we can uplift the lives of our marginalized constituency and improve the quality of life in our city. Excellence, pagiging mahusay, however, is not enough for success. We need to be resilient and strong in times of change. We must always put premium on integrity and character. In Naga, our transparent and participatory government is the primary ingredient why we are consistently sustaining our growth and maintaining our reputation as a premier city of the Philippines amidst the calamities we faced and are still facing. We come up with alternatives when we needed at the fastest pace possible and strengthen them at the most efficient way plausible by partnering with stakeholders. Through cooperation of all involved, by being honest and open to each other, we multiply our limited resources and implement the most feasible and most socially just recourse to overturn adversity into an opportunity for development. Indeed, as the years advance, integrity and excellence, katapatan at kahusayan are the reasons Naga continues to achieve its objectives for the benefit of the Nagueños. Integrity and excellence are behind Naga's success story. Championing excellence and advancing integrity in everything you do. These are the qualities of a proud Nagueños and Nagueñas. Every day, be motivated to make your dreams happen. Follow your passion and explore means to improve the status quo. And along your journey, do not forget your moral compass and sacrifice your principles for any material benefit. For the world to be a better place, it needs people who are both mahusay and matino. Now, graduates, hold your head high, release this moment, and know that the future of Naga now rests in your hands. In the work you will endeavor from here on out, always think of your family and your beloved city. Make Naga proud, my dear graduates. Congratulations and God bless.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor, for that meaningful and insightful message. And for that, the Certificate of Appreciation to be handed out by the College Administrator, Dr. Magno S. Conag, Jr. Let us now proceed to the distribution of the certificates.
Candidates for graduation, Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Adorna Magdalena B. Kanaman, Camarines Sur. Aguilar Remedios C. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Alarcon Cherry P. Goa, Camarines Sur. Alarcon Marilu V. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Amo Rebecca Ruby Pearl C. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Archibido Ma Shane M. Pili, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Ardesa Zarina B. Gainsa, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Arevalo Marian M. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Azor Salvacion G. Goa, Camarines Sur. Balisnomo Aurora L. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Bañadera Abijay A. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Banyaria Christine B. Baaw, Camarines Sur. Banyaria Jocelyn B. Baaw, Camarines Sur. Barbon Kimberly M. Goa, Camarines Sur. Barbonio Ma Cecilia M. Pili, Camarines Sur. Basbas Rosalie U. Goa, Camarines Sur. Bien Teresita B. Pili, Camarines Sur. Bonafe Marina B. Baaw, Camarines Sur. Boncodin Lisel B. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Borabo Jen O. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Bricia Nora B. Baaw, Camarines Sur. Bruca Salve Baaw, Camarines Sur. Caballero Clarissa P. Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Cabaltea Ma Rochelle G. Goa, Camarines Sur. Calpo Jessa V. Kanaman, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Candelaria Arlen M. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Cao Jessa A. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Cledera Rowena T. Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Culiao Cherry C. Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Cuarte Norlen L. Kanaman, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Dador Michelle D. Goa, Camarines Sur. The Assis Chubi C. Minalabak, Camarines Sur. De Los Santos Criselda D. Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Sur. De Los Santos Charmaine B. Goa, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Dison Nora P. Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Dominguez Cyril C. Goa, Camarines Sur. Felices Michael R. Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Garcia Jacqueline B. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Gayanilo Mary Jane P. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Guerrero Proclaim O. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Umawan Cyril S. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Latagan Marisol B. Baaw, Camarines Sur. Diagono Ma Cristina C. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Yena Risas Hazel M. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Lopez Joanna Marie H. Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. Lucernas Eden P. Naga City, Loyalty Award. Magalyon Ma Magdalena M. Naga City, Loyalty Award, Service Award, and Leadership Award. Maralag Nora T. Naga City. Manya Liza R. Pili, Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award, Service Award. Nakario Ma Cristina B. Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Nasyon Ma Elaine P. Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Nadal Marisol F. Nabua, Camarines Sur. Narito Mona B. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Oliva Mary Jane B. Kanakman, Camarines Sur, Loyalty Award. Ortenero Manilin A. Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. Pasimio Corazon C. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Paz Sherlyn A. Goa, Camarines Sur. Peñas Cristina P. Pili, Camarines Sur. Perico Cathy A. Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. Pimpolio Alma J. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Piojo Odette P. Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. Italiano Pauline K. B. Presentación Camarines Sur. Portasio Roseby V. Baaw Camarines Sur. Purísima Sheila M. San Jose Camarines Sur. Rabacal Rowena D. Tigaon Camarines Sur. Rialope Rica P. San Fernando Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Rebeden Daisy C. Tinambak Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Rivero Diana I. Presentación Camarines Sur. Rivero Susana P. Ragay Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Robosa Fe B. Baaw Camarines Sur. Rubio Marcia Niña Magaraw Camarines Sur. Salazar Imelda C. Pili Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Sanchez Aviki B. Goa Camarines Sur. Sanico Gian E. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Santo Domingo Juvil B. Tinambak Camarines Sur. Tayer Edeline P. Bula Camarines Sur. Tesoro Lalaine Z. Kanaman Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Tolete Rhea de la Torre. Magaraw Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Ondisimo Marnili A. Kanaman Camarines Sur. Valencia France Dory B. Naga City. Loyalty Award. Valino Catherine N. Naga City. Velasco Lani R. Caramoan Camarines Sur. Villar Flora May Mia C. Magaraw Camarines Sur. Loyalty Award. Villaraza Christian A. Calabanga Camarines Sur. Zamora Cheryl P. Goa Camarines Sur. Candidates for graduation, Diploma in Midwifery. Abiyad Cristina M. Ragay Camarines Sur. Abordo Nicole May Angelique F. Tinambak Camarines Sur. Abokar Jami May N. Kanaman Camarines Sur. Aquino Joanna Christine A. Naga City. Ademis Claire B. Naga City. Mayoral Award. Alinyarte Marie Antoinette D. Gainsa Camarines Sur. Aureliano Kayla D. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Azarcon Lynn Rose C. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Badong Saruel Jr. A. Naga City, Mayoral Award, Service Award. Bagakay Mary Rose M. Naga City. Baloloy Veronica E. Naga City. Balcueva Aloha B. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Barcela Baby Grace C. Naga City. Batan John Michael N. Naga City. Bello Rosalie L. Naga City. Bermudo Eliza A. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Bercasio Chantel Ann, Naga City. Bombahay Clouden B. Naga City, Mayoral Award. Calamba Eliza Grace A. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Calamba Mary Jane A. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Kalayo Ayla May S.J. Kagbunga, Camarines Sur. Canyaveral Elaine B. Kararayan, Naga City. Katana Micaela D. Naga City, Mayoral Award. Constantino Ricol A. Naga City. Coldora Mary Joy D. Naga City. De Guzman Princess Ella B. Naga City. De Jesus Annabel B. Naga City. De la Veña Madeline, Daet, Camarines Norte. De Los Santos Jovelyn A. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Diaz Mary Rose, Naga City. Eduardo Danica B. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Empleo Franz Carol, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Escriba Abigail T. Bombon, Camarines Sur. Espiritu Jessa May A. Gainsa, Camarines Sur. Frias Angelica D. San Pascual, Masbate. Florendo Janet B. Magaraw, Camarines Sur. Garcia Torrena Benijoy S.T. Naga City. Globo Len P.V. Naga City. Gonzales Lily B. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Imaki Charlotte A. Naga City. Infantado Jonah J. Naga City. Jacob R. Jane B. Naga City. Honyo Tricia May Q. Naga City. Lagarde Maricel O. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Lamit Diana L. Buhi, Camarines Sur. Lopez Zaira L. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Medrano Beverly O. Kanaman, Camarines Sur. Meleton Sara May T. Naga City. Nieves Rose Ann C. Naga City. Necio Jolian Q. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Olabiaga Roby Rosa A. Naga City. Osea April Joy S.L. Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Panambo Karen S. Naga City. Pastoral Claire Dayan C. Naga City. Payos Eliza May B. Naga City. Perez Carl Lemuel P. Naga City. Mayoral Award, Service Award. Pitati Angelica Maris F. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Presado Jonel Aaron C. Naga City. Ponayo Jacqueline B. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Rada Marlo A. Naga City. Raro Ma Jasmine P. Naga City. Remoroso Jesone I. Naga City. Reyes Janeline V. Naga City. Rodriguez Jessica L., Naga City. Sabido Ria S., Naga City. San Agustin Mariel G., Tinambak, Camarines Sur, Service Award. San Juan Luisa P., Naga City. Senyal Erica Jane B., Naga City, Mayoral Award. Tabornal Marimar B., Naga City, Mayoral Award. Tayo Rochelle M., Ligmanan, Camarines Sur. Toriaga Janine Micaela I., Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Velasco Annalyn P., Naga City. Ventusilia Marisa B., Naga City. Vitalicio Roxanne H., Naga City.
Congratulations again to our graduates and special awardees. I bet your parents are indeed so proud of you. May we call the President of the graduating class, Ms. Maria Magdalena M. Magallon, to lead the Pledge of Loyalty.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of the City College of Naga, conscious of our duties and responsibilities, do hereby solemnly pledge to render service to the best of our abilities to our fellow men, to be loyal to our alma mater, to our country, and to our God.
At this point in time, may we call the Alumni President, Mr. Ariel C. Osorio, to officiate the induction of the graduates to the Alumni Association.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, a graduate of the City College of Naga, and as a member of the City College of Naga Alumni Association, do hereby solemnly pledge that I will faithfully and unselfishly perform my duties and responsibilities, obey the rules in order and resolution promulgated by the Association, and impose these obligations upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation and a purpose of evasion for the sake of beloved alma mater, so help me God. Congratulations.
May we request everyone to please rise for the singing of the CCN hymn. closing has finally arrived. Tomorrow, new challenges and opportunities awaits our graduates that will further test their mettle and character as improving individuals. As they continue with their journey, may they look back to this stage in their lives with fondness and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the 2021 commencement exercise. Thank you very much and may God bless us all.